there really aren't many people around here. But I tell you, the people that are passing through sure do make a lot of noise. I can't figure out how the birds can stand it. I mean, how long is it that birds have had to deal with these truck sounds, car sounds? I rode a motorcycle a lot, but I'm glad I was like a Honda guy, you know. Meet the nicest people in a Honda. Not that loud. 3 years out of my life, I rode everywhere on 2 motorcycles. Best thing about the last one was somebody else wanted it. Interstate 500, but I had the Honda 450. There was a copy of the Bonneville, and I rode the shit out of that thing. I blew up an engine into the spindle, and it couldn't keep it up. And but those engines blew up at 12,000 miles. Everybody said mine blew up at 11,500. But then I had the interstate, and it was dangerous.